Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance Made Easy. Today we are going to have a look at how to make money by building an app. Enjoy the video and don't forget to leave a like and tell us your opinion about the topic in the comments section. In the digital age we live in, mobile apps have become an essential part of our daily lives, from ordering food to booking a taxi to online shopping. With billions of people around the world using apps every day, it's no surprise that building an app can be a lucrative venture. However, it's not as simple as just building an app and hoping for the best. In this video, I will be discussing the steps you need to take to build an app that people want, monetize it effectively, and promote it to reach your target audience. Building an app that people want. The first step in building a successful app is to identify a problem that your target audience is facing and that can be solved with an app. You need to make sure that your app solves a problem that is big enough for people to want to use it, but not so big that it would be impossible to solve. The best way to identify this problem is to conduct market research. You need to know who your target audience is, what they are looking for, and what their pain points are. Once you have identified a problem, the next step is to start building your app. When building an app, it's important to keep in mind that user experience is crucial. Your app needs to be easy to use, visually appealing, and intuitive. Users should be able to navigate through your app with ease and find what they are looking for quickly. One way to achieve this is by creating a user-friendly interface. You can use design elements like icons, buttons, and colors to make your app visually appealing and easy to use. The key is to strike a balance between simplicity and functionality. For this business model, it is important that you are able to program an app yourself or find another solution. Since outsourcing app development can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $250,000 or more, depending on many factors. Monetizing your app. Now that you have built an app that people want to use, it's time to start making money from it. There are several ways to monetize your app, and the most common ones are in-app purchases, advertising, and sponsorship partnerships. In-app purchases are a great way to generate revenue from your app. This model allows users to download your app for free and then make purchases within the app. There are several types of in-app purchases, including subscriptions, virtual goods, and premium features. For example, a gaming app might offer users the ability to purchase extra lives or power-ups to help them progress through the game faster. Advertising is another popular way to monetize your app. You can incorporate ads into your app and earn money every time a user clicks on an ad. There are different types of ads, such as interstitial, banner, and rewarded ads. Interstitial ads are full-screen ads that appear between content, while banner ads are smaller ads that appear at the top or bottom of the screen. Rewarded ads are a newer type of ad that offers users a reward, such as extra lives in a game, in exchange for watching an ad. Sponsorship and partnerships are another way to monetize your app. This model involves finding sponsors and partners who are interested in promoting their products or services through your app. For example, a fitness app might partner with a sports apparel brand to offer users a discount on their products. By partnering with the right brands, you can not only generate revenue but also increase your app's visibility and credibility. Expected revenues. When it comes to making money with your app, it's important to have realistic expectations. While some apps may generate millions of dollars in revenue, the vast majority of apps earn much less. According to a survey by Statista, the average revenue per app in 2020 was $1,900 per month. The amount of revenue you can expect to generate will depend on a variety of factors, including your app's monetization strategy, your target market, and your marketing efforts. Here are a few common monetization strategies and the expected revenues. In-app advertising. This involves displaying ads within your app. The amount of revenue you can earn from in-app advertising will depend on the number of users you have and the number of ads you display. According to a report by Apodal, the average revenue per user for in-app ads is around 2 cents to 4 cents per user per day. In-app purchases. This involves offering users the ability to purchase additional features or content within your app. The amount of revenue you can earn from in-app purchases will depend on the number of users who make purchases and the price of the items being sold. According to a report by Sensor Tower, the average revenue per user for in-app purchases is around $1.08 per user per month. Subscriptions. This involves offering users the ability to subscribe to your app for a monthly or yearly fee. The amount of revenue you can earn from subscriptions will depend on the number of users who subscribe and the price of the subscription. According to a report by Apptopia, the average revenue per user for subscriptions is around $7.57 per user per year. It's important to keep in mind that these are just average figures, and your actual revenue may be higher or lower depending on your specific app and circumstances. Additionally, these figures only take into account the revenue generated directly from your app, and you may also be able to generate additional revenue from related services or products. Launching and promoting your app. Once you have built an app and monetized it, the next step is to launch and promote it. Launching an app involves submitting it to the App Store, optimizing it for search, and making sure that it meets all the necessary requirements. One of the key elements of a successful launch is timing. You need to launch your app at the right time when there is a demand for it. For example, a shopping app should be launched during the holiday season when people are looking for gifts. Promoting your app is just as important as launching it. There are several ways to promote your app, and the most effective ones are App Store optimization, social media marketing, and influencer marketing. App Store optimization involves optimizing your app for the App Store search engine so that it ranks higher in search results. This includes optimizing your app's title, description, keywords, and screenshots. By doing this, you can increase your app's visibility and attract more users. Social media marketing is another effective way to promote your app. You can create social media accounts for your app on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram and post updates, promotions, and news related to your app. You can also use social media advertising to reach a wider audience. Influencer marketing involves partnering with influencers who have a large following on social media to promote your app. Influencers can help you reach a wider audience and generate buzz around your app. For example, a food delivery app might partner with a food blogger to promote their app and offer a discount code to their followers. Potential challenges and risks. While building an app can be a lucrative endeavor, there are also potential challenges and risks that you need to be aware of. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Competition. The app market is highly competitive, and there are already numerous apps available for just about every niche. To succeed, you need to find a way to differentiate your app from the competition. Development costs. Developing an app can be expensive, and you may need to hire a team of developers, designers, and testers to create a high-quality app. You also need to factor in the costs of servers, maintenance, and updates. Monetization challenges. Finding the right monetization strategy can be challenging, and you may need to experiment with different approaches to find what works best for your app. User acquisition. Attracting users to your app can be difficult, especially if you are competing against established apps. You need to have a solid marketing plan in place to reach your target audience. User retention. Once you have attracted users to your app, you need to keep them engaged and interested. This means providing regular updates, bug fixes, and new features to keep users coming back. Platform changes. App stores like the Apple App Store and Google Play Store are constantly changing their guidelines and requirements, which can impact your app's visibility and ranking. By being aware of these potential challenges and risks, you can develop strategies to mitigate them and increase your chances of success. Conclusion. In conclusion, building an app can be a great way to make money, but it requires careful planning, execution, and ongoing maintenance. By identifying a problem, creating a user-friendly interface, and monetizing your app effectively, you can build an app that meets the needs of your target audience and generates revenue. However, there are also potential challenges and risks that you need to be aware of, including competition, development costs, monetization challenges, user acquisition, user retention, and platform changes. By staying informed and developing strategies to mitigate these risks, you can increase your chances of building a successful app and making money from it. Thank you for listening, and I wish you the best of luck in your app building endeavors. Thanks for watching the video. When you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write a comment, and activate the notification bell to support us. See you next time.